squad, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I totally forgot to do the intro until I sat down. I'm like, oh, I gotta edit this video. So you guys, I'm just going to do a review on the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Argan of Morocco mask line, and I'm just going to give you guys a honest review on everything. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Love you all so much, and can't wait to see you in the next. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Argan Oil from Morocco Intensive Conditioning Treatment. When I first opened it, it felt like pudding. It felt like a creamy substance, which was nice. When I was putting it in my hair, my hair didn't really do anything to my hair. Like, when I say that, by saying that, like, it went through pretty nice, and I didn't really have any issues. My hands glide right through my hair, so it had some slip, which is a good thing. That means you don't have to use a comb. You can detangle with your hands. So after that, I am just showing you guys the curls and how it looked through my hair. Also, it said in the directions to put this in after shampooing. I did it after shampooing and conditioning, so make sure you guys put it in after shampooing instead of what I did. So yeah, but just showing y'all the curls and everything. Just putting a bag on my head because it says you're supposed to be under a hooded dryer, but y'all, I didn't go under a hooded dryer because I don't have one. I'm going to invest in one soon. But basically, you're supposed to keep it in to 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it out. And this is what my curls look like. Now, you guys, the mask only left shine in my hair and softened my hair. Other than that, I didn't get any moisture, but it says the treatment strengthens and imparts moisture and prevents hair breakage. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my social medias down below. Mwah.